In the previous video, we did the addition by using dropping 10 method. In this video, we will be discussing the method of addition from left to right. Generally, we do the addition from right to left. Here we are going to do the addition from left to right. Before entering into our method, we should be familiar with two concepts. What are those concepts? One is end digit concept and the other one is carry numbers or non-carry numbers concept. Yes, we should know about these two concepts. Yes. For example, I take two numbers 5 and 8. What is the sum of 5 and 8? Yes, the sum is here 13. For example, I take one more 4 plus 7. What is the sum here? 11. I take one more example 7 plus 3. What is the sum of 7 and 3? 10. Here if you observe, 3 is the end digit. Yes, of the sum of this sum. Okay. 1 is the end digit of 11 and 0 is the end digit of 10. Yes, we should know about these end digits. Yes, by seeing only we should be able to say the end digits of the sum. Yes, let us write only end digits. I am going to write the sum of the end digits only, not sum. Okay. Yes. Here, for example, here I am going to take 6 plus 7. What is the end digit of the sum? Yes, 3. Next. What is the end digit here? Not sum, end digit. Yes, 0. What is the end digit of 9 plus 7? Yes, 6. Yes, these are the end digits. We should be familiar with these end digits. Then only we can do the addition from left to right easily. Next, carry numbers or non-carry numbers. Here, carry numbers. What are the carry numbers? I take one example 7 plus 5. What is the sum? 12. 8 plus 6. 14. 7 plus 5 is 12. 8 plus 6 is 14 is equals. Yes, 14. And if you observe here, one more I take here. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. What are the sums here? First sum is 12, second sum is 14, third sum is 10. If the sums are equal to 10 or more than 10, then those numbers are called carry numbers. Here 7 and 5 are the carry numbers, here 8 and 6 are the carry numbers, here 7 and 3 are the carry numbers. Shall I take a few more? Yes. Yes. For example, I take here 4 plus 3. What is the sum here? 7. 2 plus 6. What is the sum here? 8. Yes. 5 plus 4. What is the sum? Yes, 9. If you observe here, yes, this time we got only single digits as sum. Yes, 7 is the single digit, 8 is the single digit, 9 is the single digit. Yes, that means they are less than 10. When we add two numbers, yes, when we get the sum less than 10, then those digits are called non-carry numbers. Here 3 and 4 are the non-carry numbers. Here 2 and 6 are the non-carry numbers. And here 5 and 4 are the non-carry numbers. Yes. Next. Yes, we should be familiar with these carry numbers and non-carry numbers. Next. Here, what about here single digit? Here, for example, I take two more examples. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Yes. What is the end digit of this sum? 7. We got this time single digit. The 7 itself is the end digit of this sum. Okay. Yes. Next, one more example. 2 plus 6. This time 8 itself is the end digit of the sum. Okay. Yes. Next, now we are going to apply these two concepts, end digit concept and carry numbers or non-carry numbers concept. Yes, in this method. How can we apply? Let us see. First, I take 2-digit number and 1-digit number. 2-digit and 1-digit number. For example, 4, 3 and here 6. From right to left, I am going to add the numbers from right to left. If you observe here, 3 plus 6. Yes, first left to right now. So we drop 4 as easily. First, next. What about 3 and 6? Are they carry or non-carry numbers? Carry numbers. What is the sum? 6 plus 3 is 9. Then the answer is 49. If we take non-carry numbers, what will happen once we see here? Yes, 7, 6. Here. Yes. First you drop here below the 2. No number is there. So we drop as easily to next 7 and 6. Are these carry or non-carry? Yes. Carry numbers. That means we have to increase this number by 1. Yes. Cut the number and write 3. Yes. And are these carry or non-carry? Carry numbers. What is the end digit of 7 and 6 here? Yes, 3. Write 3. But cutting and writing another digit is increasing. This is the all waste of time. So we write directly here. Yes, in place of 2, if they are carry, then increase the number 2 by 1. Means 2 becomes 3. Then 33. Yes, while doing few more examples, you can understand. Here 24, 6. Yes, we drop 2 as easily. Before dropping, at the same time, we have to observe whether they are carry or non-carry numbers. Beside the 2, right side in one's place, those numbers are whether carry or non-carry. Yes, while dropping this 2 here, we should observe at a time. We should observe this number and these 2 numbers at a time. Then the time will be decreased. Okay. Then you can do that within seconds. Yes. See here. This is 2. And these are carry numbers. Means we have to increase this number by 1. Yes. Increase this 2 by 1. Next. What is the end digit? 0. That's it. Next. One more. Yes. Left 3, dropping 3. Before dropping, these are carry, means increase by 1. 7, 5, 2. End digit of 7 and 5 is 2. Yes? Understood? For example, I take here 2-digit number and 2-digit number. Yes? This is 2-digit and 1-digit. Here we are going to take 2-digit number and 2-digit number. See here, same process here. Here 4 and 2. Add these two, 4 and 2, 6. Yes, before dropping 6 here, observe these whether they are carry or non-carry. Yes, carry numbers. Means 6 increased by 7, 1. 6 increases by 1. That means 6 becomes 7. Next, carry. What is the end digit? 3. Right here 3. Next, one more example I will take. See here 2 plus 1, 3, but these are carry. 3 means we write 4 and end digit 0. Yes. Next, one more example. Here 3 plus 4, 5, 3 plus 2 is 5 and these are the non-carry numbers. Means we write as easily 5 and end digit of these two 9. Yes. Next. One more. See here, 1 plus 3, 4. But these are carry numbers. So 4 increases by 1 means 5. And end digit of 6 and 7? Yes, 3. Understood? This process can also be applied for any number of digits. You can try for 3 digits. Let us see few more examples. Here, I am not going to say everything outside. Just I do this little fast. You try to follow that. Yes. Addition from left to right. 4 plus 3, 7. But these are carry. So we write 8 and end digit of 6 and 7, 3. Next, 5 plus 6, 11. But carry. So 12 and end digit is 1. Next, 7 plus 6, 13. Non-carry as easily. End digit 7. 8 plus 2, 10. Non-carry. End digit 2. 6 plus 2, 8. But carry here. So carry means 9. Then end digit is 0. Next, 7 plus 3, 10. But these are carry. So 11. Then end digit is 7. Next, 1 plus 2, 3. But carry. So write 4. End digit 5. Yes. This is the way of writing addition from left to right. You can do this within less time. If you practice then only you can do within less time, within no time. Yes. If this process can also be applied for 3-digit numbers and further digits. Yes, for that, wait for the next video. In the next video, we will see that. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it and make a comment on this. Thank you.